So a number of people are reporting that their bank accounts are getting blocked and frozen. Well, this is indeed very shocking, as look at this, that Chase Bank glitch could lead to negative balances, locked accounts, and jail time. While at the same time, look at this, that Bank of America customers report problems with online banking, balances showing zero. This is indeed a shocking situation. And why I am saying this, because people's life savings are in bank accounts right now. Well, I have some very important critical information to share with you in this video. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And before I even start the video, I would like to ask you just for a little favor to please smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So people all over the US are reporting that their bank accounts are blocked. They're unable to withdraw their money. So what's going on? Well, listen to this, and this is very important. And these are some strategies that we can use. But the biggest question before I even tell you those strategies is that how safe is your money in your bank account? And this is very, very important. Well, if you're still wondering that what I mean by that, then you need to look at this. 10th largest US bank paying $31 billion in fine and historic admission of guilt after criminals dump piles of cash on bank counters. So what happens if your money just disappears one day? You wake up in the morning with the fact and with this hope that you have the money and you can live your life happily, but then you see a zero balance. That's what happened with the people and the customers of Bank of America. Yes, Bank of America said that it was a glitch, and there was a lot of questions still because there is not a clear explanation still from Bank of America. But we can talk about it. But listen to this. Let's say you have $10,000 in your bank account, and of course, a number of people have it. Let's say even you have $1,000. You go to the bank and you're like, hey, I need $500. They said, yes, we can give it to you. You'll get the $500 and it's all been done. You're happy. But if you would like more than that, let's say $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000, what would the bank say at that time? Do you have any idea? Have you ever tried it? Well, if they have the cash, they'll ask for so much information. And remember, it's your money. Of course, they need to identify you. That's the thing. But an ID would be enough. But if you would like to have more cash from the bank, they'll do two things. And it happened with me personally as well. And it happened with a lot of people. I've been reading a lot of comments. I'll read those comments as well. So when you go there, let's say you need $3,000 or $5,000. The bank would say, hey, we don't have that much cash right now. So you can schedule this collection for next week or 2 weeks from now or 10 days from now, and then you can get the cash. Can you even imagine? You need the cash right now, but you cannot withdraw it. But the question rises that what happens to the other customer? Let's say in one bank, if 100 people are coming, right? And each person wants $500, right? So if you do that, it's $50,000. And they don't have the money to give you, like $3,000 or $5,000. This is quite shocking. And people are still wondering that what happens if my money just disappears from the bank? And if I'm going to go there, what they would ask you to do, hey, just complain or report it. Okay, we'll do the investigation. But meanwhile, what would you do? And not a lot of people know that. Let me just tell you that your money in the bank account, let's say you have more money, like let's say you have $200,000, but your money up to $100,000 is insured. And God knows that where you will get this money if something happens to your money, but your $100,000 would be insured, so you will get it probably in few days, few months, but the other $100,000 that you have, it's gone. It's vanished. Yes, you are not going to get that money because your money is insured up to $100,000. Totally depend. You can buy the insurance. You're gonna pay extra money to your bank, like $7 and $10 a month. That's what the insurance money is. Then you need to claim it. That's another story. But why I need to pay bank more money as a subscription or as an insurance when they're already making money from my money? So let me just tell you how this all thing works. You deposited the money, right? And of course, you're not going to take all the money yourself. So bank actually stake your money for some profit, like in dividends and other monetary assets or in other stocks or something. It's totally up to them. It's a hidden thing. So of course, that's what they do, and they make money on it. And then, like when you go there, that's why whenever you go there and then you would like to have like extra cash or something, they don't give it to you because your money is invested somewhere. So we all need to understand this. So let me know first in the comments that what do you think about this whole situation, because people are facing it right now. One of the customer said that, and this is indeed a very important, this is on Reddit, and I was just reading it and I was so shocked to read this. I went to the bank and I say, I want $5,000. The bank replied, the teller replied, I can only give you $2,000. And then the customer asked, hey, I need $5,000. Please give me $5,000. Why are you making it hard? So the teller said that, no, you can only withdraw $2,000 because we don't have the cash. But at the same time, he had a lot of people lined up who are there to withdraw the money. So how come the bank will give money to other people and don't have even $5,000 to give him? And you know that if you go to the bank and you withdraw $10,000, they're asked for so many verification and they report it to the IRS. That's what I've heard. And yeah, this is indeed very shocking because it's your money. And if you put it in the bank, it's always on the risk, and you need to understand this. Well, one more thing that I would like to tell you. I don't know whether I've shown you or not, but this is very important. Chase Bank glitch could lead to negative balances, locked accounts, and jail time. So you cannot withdraw your own money. You cannot do that. But if some glitch happens, or let's say that you don't know that you had $100 in your bank account and you withdraw $200, and people did that because there was a trend in TikTok, then when the glitch happened, people withdrew more money. So you could face jail time. But at the same time, bank can keep your money and they have the right to not to give you the money that you deserve, that you earned. And this is indeed very shocking, and it raises a lot of questions that what you need to do. And here are the 3 strategies that you can use when it comes to securing your money. If you're a big fan of banks, and of course we need to put money in the banks, of course we do the ACH payments and direct deposit payments, there's a lot of things, though you can always use paper check to do that, but not a lot of people do that. So split your money into different bank accounts, and this is indeed a very good strategy. Let's say you have $100,000, split it like $33,000, $35,000, or the rest of the amount in the third bank. So that's how you will secure the money. If you cannot get the money from one bank, you can actually stop by to other banks and get the money that you need. And this is indeed a very good strategy that most people use. And at the same time, keep some cash in your hand. You shouldn't put hundreds and thousands of dollars in your home, but at least the money that is equivalent to your rent payment, to your grocery payment, and it pays your utility, have it for a month or 2 in your hand. So if something happens, it's like Hurricane Milton, all the banks are closed right now. But of course, there's always a pause in those payments, but you never know if you need the money for emergency, you need to evacuate or do something. The banks are closed, the ATMs are not working, you need to pay for the gas and something. What would you do? You're hopeless. You don't know what you're going to do, right? So in that situation, keep some money in your hand. That's the second one. And the third one is really important, and not a lot of people do that. So first, split the money into different bank accounts. Second, keep some money in your hand. This is very important. Third, keep some money as a cashier check. Well, you can certainly do that, and you can always cash it out. But cashier check, you can just cash it anywhere. So but the second part of this that I personally do, and this is very good, that when it comes to paying your utilities or something, I use sometimes the paper check. Let's say, and I've seen a video as well, then I started doing it. Let's say if your utility is being disconnected today, you can call in the morning and say, I'm sending a paper check. They are not going to disconnect your utility or your power or your telephone line or something. They're going to wait for your check to arrive, and then they'll take the money. So you can actually have the paper checks as always ready, so you can just pay for those things. Don't rely on your debit or credit card always. Have different forms of payment methods so you can use it when you need it. Again, if you have any questions at all, then let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, because I upload videos pretty much every single day for you with this very important information that helps you financially. So please stay safe with whatever is going on right now. And if you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon for daily updates and to watch our videos every single day. Well, thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.